Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Euroclear Securities Services Review My Usage Experience. Euroclear Securities Services Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and managing securities transactions processed through Euroclear's network. It's primarily aimed at financial professionals, such as portfolio managers, custodians, and other stakeholders involved in securities settlement and processing. Key features likely include transaction tracking, reporting capabilities, and potentially access to market data relevant to the processed securities. Their website provides details on specific features and access requirements. Their website details the various reporting options available and emphasizes secure access and data protection. While pricing isn't explicitly listed online, it's likely a service offered on a subscription or fee-per-transaction basis depending on usage. Access is granted through secure login and is restricted to authorized users. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Euroclear Securities Services Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. After receiving my login credentials, I was able to access the platform and navigate to the transaction search function with ease. The interface, while not flashy, is very functional and intuitive. I was able to easily search and filter transactions by date, security type, and other relevant criteria. The reporting features were particularly useful. I was able to generate customized reports in a few clicks, which I found very efficient compared to previous methods. The platform performed very reliably. I never experienced any downtime or significant delays during my use. I had a quick question about a specific reporting parameter, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, offering a detailed and helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how comprehensive the data coverage was. The standout feature for me was definitely the customizable reporting capabilities. It saved me a considerable amount of time. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Access was strictly browser-based, which sometimes made it slightly inconvenient. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Euroclear Securities Services Review My Usage Experience. It's a powerful tool that significantly streamlines my workflow. That's my overview of Euroclear Securities Services Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.